Welcome back, my dear students. Hope you had a good luck. Well, not good luck. Hope you had a good practice of coding when you were doing what I just told you in the last lecture. I'll show you my solution in a minute. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, so here on index.php, you can see that I just made some conditions here for get requests, and then we are including those specific pages that we just moved on the last lecture, right? That's all we're doing there. All right. So you can go to your site nav and check to see if yours look like similar to mine. All right. So basically I'm sending the get requests and those pages are going to be included when I send those get requests. All right. All right. Perfect. Now also remember that you need to go, and I'm just going to go to this page right here and remove the header. All right. And replace it, and actually remove the whole thing here, because you don't need, remember, if you go here, let's say, let me just give you an example. If I go to add product here, you can see that we have the margin problem here, the padding problem. That's because we are using the page wrapper again when we're not supposed to be doing that. All right, so make sure that this pages, for example, this one here, we just need right here, we don't need the container fluid. We just take that off, and we'll take off this, and I left you a little space there on each page so that way you can know when to take it off. But just take everything off there and just leave the pieces of code that you're going to need for that specific page. All right, like that. And you come back here and you can see that now it makes sense, right? All right, so make sure you do that, pause the video and do that, because my rest of the pages are good. All right, so go ahead and hopefully you did that. All right, so if you did, now let's talk about what we're going to be doing on the next lecture. What we're going to be doing on the next lecture is actually getting information from our table users. I want you to understand that we need to get that information here because we need to find out if an order was made, and if an order was made, what was the status and what was that from PayPal, right? So here is where we're going to be putting that information. In the next lecture, we'll start coding this and the rest of the pages. Thank you, and I'll see you then.